I know that you're tired of feeling like you're missing out on sales on Amazon. You're tired of trying to figure it out all on your own without direction on what to do next. You've found a lot of information out there on Amazon online, but things are always changing, so you're not even sure if what you're learning is up to date or even used anymore. You're kind of cautious about some of the things that you found online that seem to give shortcuts with high risks because you want to do Amazon right. We have designed the six-figure Amazon store course to make selling on Amazon as simple and straightforward as possible. Here's why it's the fastest and easiest way to set up your store for success. First off, you don't need Amazon background for this. Whether you're new to Amazon or even you maybe have some experience, I'm going to guide you through step by step with easy to follow instructions in the course. There's also no team required. You actually don't need a big team or even outside help. This course is more tailored for individuals or small teams to really execute effectively. So even right now, for instance, if you are just a solopreneur, you can take action from this course. Also, you don't need an expensive website. Amazon does allow you to sell your products without the overhead of creating and maintaining a separate website or even needing to store inventory in places like your garage or in a warehouse. So then you can not have to worry about spending time packing up orders every day. You also have accessible information. So I've distilled everything into actionable steps from the 8.5, almost 9 years of experience so that you don't have to sift through the endless resources or guess what works. And I share a lot more here than I do, for instance, if you found my videos on YouTube or elsewhere. Also, this is going to save you time because you're going to avoid common mistakes when you learn how to do it the right way. You're following the proven strategies that we have used, so this is going to help you set up your store faster with less stress and fewer headaches. Also, you can be building your visibility on the world's largest e-commerce platform. I love Amazon, and with Amazon's reach, your brand has the potential to gain massive exposure and really grow those sales. So I've made it easy for you so that you can focus in on growing your business without the frustration and the uncertainty. Everything you need to succeed is right here in this course.